Floods, nature's forceful intrusion into our homes, can leave behind more than just water damage. One of the most insidious consequences is mold growth. Mold thrives in damp, dark environments, and a post-flood scenario provides the perfect breeding ground. So, how do you tackle this silent menace? Let's explore the steps to prevent and restore your home after a flood. As soon as the floodwaters recede, take swift action. Ensure your safety before entering the flooded area. Turn off electricity and gas to prevent accidents. Wear protective gear, including gloves, boots, and an N95 mask. Use pumps, wet-dry vacuums, or buckets to remove standing water promptly. The longer the water lingers, the higher the risk of mold growth. Open windows and doors to promote air circulation. Use fans and dehumidifiers to speed up drying. Discard soaked carpets, furniture, and insulation. Cut out wet drywall to prevent hidden mold growth. Even if you don't see visible mold, it might be lurking behind walls or under flooring. Consider hiring FDP Mold Remediation for a thorough inspection. Use dehumidifiers to maintain humidity levels below 60%. Fix leaks promptly to prevent moisture buildup. Ensure good airflow in all rooms. Ventilate bathrooms and kitchens to reduce moisture. Mold removal requires expertise. Professionals like FDP Mold Remediation understand mold behavior and effective removal techniques. Mold exposure can cause respiratory issues, allergies, and skin irritation. Professionals follow safety protocols to protect themselves and you. Professionals assess hidden areas, address moisture sources, and prevent recurrence. Professionals work efficiently, minimizing disruption. Professionals use precise methods to preserve your property during removal. Don't underestimate mold after a flood. It's not just about scrubbing surfaces, it's about creating a safe, healthy environment. FDP Mold Remediation offers specialized services, ensuring thorough mold eradication. Remember, early intervention and professional expertise are your best allies against mold. Call now, 877-421-2614, or visit our website for more info, fdpmoldremediation.com.